Proposition 27. Our visible universe has an invisible part, but I'm not talking about dark matter, and not directly referring to dark energy. The invisible part is the area within our largest measurable pocket of relative space-time mass energy that is so distant from us that the light can never reach us. Thus, we can never see it from our current vantage point. The portion of our universe outside our visible light sphere grows. At the same time, the portion of the universe inside our visible light sphere shrinks. But outside that which we can see, there is an approximate boundary between the cohesive frame of reference of our entire pocket of relative space-time mass energy created during the cosmic events we labeled the Big Bang, and the expansive void between our pocket and our nearest neighbors. There were most certainly many other pockets just like ours created during the same collisions of the two prior pockets of space-time mass energy. We may have been part of a dense galactic center filled with stars and black holes, but there would be many other pockets of all different sizes and densities, all created during the same cosmic collision that took place between two prior universes almost 14 billion years ago. Some number of those other pockets are likely close enough to ours for the gravitational attraction between them to bind them to the most massive pockets. Our pocket may have satellite pockets, or we may be in orbit, or we may be on a collision course. Our known universe likely has an axis of rotation, a speed of rotation, an approximate center of mass, an approximate center of gravity, an average density, an average temperature, an average luminosity, and a parent frame of reference. Our known universe almost certainly has siblings.